This video highlights a static analysis of how the Nigerian pension fund's FGN bond portfolio value depreciated by more than 11%, representing a potential loss amount of 912.23 billion naira, equivalent of $2.14 billion, from January 31, 2022 to July 21, 2022. Owing to hike in monetary policy rate, MPR, by the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, Monetary Policy Committee. The major objective of this video is to assess the impact of hike in monetary policy rate, MPR, from January 2022 to July 2022 on the pension fund manager's FGN bond portfolio as of January 21, 2022 using a simple Microsoft Excel model. The assumptions employed in the static analysis are as stated below. All the bonds are issued by Federal Government of Nigeria, FGN, including Sukuk and Green bonds. All the bonds pay coupons semi-annually. All the bonds are classified as held to maturity, HTM. There is no new investment in the FGN bonds by pension fund managers since January 21, 2022. There is a parallel shift across the yield curve spectrum. This document is a monthly report published by National Pension Commission, PENCOM, and shows the summary of the Nigerian pension industry's investment in various financial assets as of January 31, 2022. The breakdown for the Nigerian pension industry's FGN bond portfolio includes the following. FGN bonds, 7.97 trillion naira. FGN Sukuk bonds, 112.43 billion naira. FGN Green bond, 55.62 billion naira. The total amount is 8.14 trillion naira. The table below contains FGN bonds data published by FMDQ Exchange and shows the description of all the outstanding FGN bonds listed on the exchange as of January 21, 2022. The information provided includes the issuer, coupon, outstanding value, maturity date, yields of the bonds amongst other. Using the information provided, the prices and current market value of these bonds can be derived based on their current and future yields. Based on the output of our static model, it is evident that the investors in FGN bonds are exposed to potential loss of 1.4 trillion naira. Likewise, the pension industry, being the major player in the FGN bond market and responsible for about 64% of the total investment in FGN bonds as of January 31, 2022, is exposed to over 900 billion naira potential loss, provided the 5 assumptions stated earlier are true. This potential loss represents over 11% depreciation in value of pension funds' FGN bond portfolio as of July 21, 2022. Therefore, if MPC continues to increase the MPR in future, the value of fixed income portfolio, bonds and treasury bills, of pension managers will continue to depreciate, and this will significantly impact retirement benefits of RSA holders negatively, as their benefits are not defined, but rather based on fund performances. Let's go over to the model for detailed analysis.